Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing the weekly check-in. So this is week 2 of March 2020. Now the dates are going to run from the 5th through the 11th. And let me just tell you guys, I think I killed it this week. I'm just saying. I mean, most of the time I do, but you know, I feel like I did. So we're just going to get started so this video will not last too long for you guys. Alright, so on Thursday, I'm going to actually let's change it up. Let's do all of my no spins today first. Let's do the no spins first because those are exciting. Alright, so on the 5th, I had a no spin. And then on the 10th, I had a no spin. That's kind of crooked. On the 11th, I had a no spin. And then the 8th, I had a no spin. I just completely went out of order on those. All right, so I have 4 no spins. All right, so on Friday was payday, and I had to work a late night shift. No, not really late night. It was like 12 hours, but still, I had to work late. So I went to Starbucks and then I bought something from the gift shop. So I just wrote Starbucks, $14, because I actually bought 2 of my other friends some drinks too. So, because I'm a good friend. All right, and on the 7th is our usual. So we did gas for $10. Oh, let me move this down. So gas was $10. Groceries was at Walmart for $23. Now, if you have not seen that video, it will be linked down below. So that was $23. And then on Fun Money, we had a newspaper, as always, because I like to get the coupons out of that. And that was $3. And that is everything from the 5th through the 7th. So no spin, Starbucks, then gas for $10, Walmart for $23, and then newspaper for $3. All right, flipping around, as always, the 8th, not as always, but this week, the 8th is a no spin. And then on Monday, I went to Ross to buy a black dress for the bachelorette trip this week, or this weekend. And I found one, and it was $17, which is actually pretty good, you guys. All right, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So that is everything that I spent this week. So we're just going to recap it one more time before we go to our weekly check-in and fill all that out. All right, so Thursday, no spin. Friday was Starbucks for $14. Saturday was gas for $10, Walmart for $23, newspaper for $3. And then the 8th was no spin. 9th was the Ross for $17. And then the 10th and 11th is a no spin. All right, so let's flip over to our weekly check-in. Now, if you're wondering where I got these budget kit, that will be linked down below. It's from Tempest XOXO Design, and she is on Etsy. So make sure you go and check her out because she's great. I absolutely love this layout. All right, let's see. For groceries, we spent $23. Gas was $10. So we should have $50 left on this one. Fun Money was $20. So we should have $40 left. Cushion, we spent $14. And then, let's see, sinking funds, we did not spend anything, which is a shocker. So $1,136. So all we have to do is just do the math on the groceries. So 100 minus 23 equals to $77. And then the cushion is $88. Alright, you guys, so a recap again. We spent $23 in groceries and have a remaining of $77. Gas, we spent $10 and have $50 left. Fun money, we spent $20 and have a remaining of $40. Cushion, we spent $14 and have a remaining of $88. And then sinking funds, we did not spend anything this week, making it $1,136 left over. And of course, last but not least, I love counting my money. So we are going to zoom y'all out just a little bit, and we're going to count to make sure that all of these remaining numbers are matching with the cash envelope. Now, we're not going to count the cushion or the sinking funds as always. All right, so we're looking for $77 for groceries. 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. So that is $77. $50 for gas. 20, 40, and 50. $40 for fun money. 20, 30, 35, 40. All right, and there you have it, folks. So that is my weekly check-in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all are doing great this week for y'all's weekly check-in or any of your cash envelopes that you are doing this week. And be sure to subscribe down below and comment what are y'all doing this weekend, because I have a fun-filled day or fun-filled weekend going to Panama City, Florida. And we're going to go to the bachelorette trip and everything else. So let me know what y'all are doing this weekend. And also hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload, so y'all won't miss a video from me. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week and weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.